Good afternoon, my name's Ben Cooper. So to do a quick little walk around video now of one of our latest vehicles onto the Blue Auto forecourt. This really is an absolutely stunning vehicle here and quite rare. So this is the BMW Z4, it's the 3 litre, it's the Sdrive M Sport Roadster. It's a 2011 vehicle and has covered only 36,000 miles now from new. This vehicle also comes to us with a full BMW service history and is littered with specification. The condition, as with all of our cars, is absolutely superb. The alloy wheels, all unmarked, all unscuffed. Specification on our car: we have satellite navigation, full leather interior, heated seats, climate control, cruise control, parking sensors and Bluetooth. So you've got the front sensors just down there, really stunning looking front grille as well. Really attractive looking car. There's one thing I will say about this vehicle is it has not aged at all, considering it's now 7 years old. And considering the fact it's only covered 36,000 miles, that really does make it quite a rare car. Just going down now the rear of the car to show you the boot. Some really stunning lines there on the car. Nice twin exhaust system there at the rear. Now, considering the size of this vehicle, you really do get half decent sized boots. So that is what the boot looks like with the lid down. Let me just pull that. And that folds away like so. And there we go. Really decent sized boot considering the size of the car. Obviously that boot space will decrease once the roof is folded away, which I'll show you in a second. And you've got a little entrance bit there so you can feed things through into the rear of the car should you need to. I'm going to show you some of the sides of the vehicle there, just so you can get a gauge of the cosmetic condition of the vehicle. Right, just pull this across because I will not be able to take the roof down without that being fixed into place. So just going into the car now. Got the full leather interior, which is in superb condition. This part of the seat here is extendable. So there is a bar underneath the front of the seat, and you pull that out, that will just give you extra support underneath the legs. Right. So, going into the car, you've got the BMW's leather steering wheel there. Obviously, you can probably see it's a multi-function wheel. So you've got your trip computer controls here, and you've also got paddle shifts either side, which will allow you to change gear. And then you've got the voice activation with the Bluetooth. So just going into the car now. The key gets inserted into the dashboard. Foot on the brake, press the start button. Up pops the multimedia screen, which really is quite a decent size. That is all controlled via this system here. It's pretty self-explanatory. CD, radio, Bluetooth for your telephone, and navigation. To select the relevant option, you then go into the relevant menu. So radio, see that all pops up, and then you have this dial here. So if you turn it to the side, that is, as you can see, scrolling down the radio stations, and then you press the button and then that will select the radio station. These dials here, this is for your climate control. See, you've got the carbon fibre sort of brushed metal here, which is a really nice finish. That is all continued into the inside of the car. These lights just up here are for your heated seats. So you've got 3 different temperatures. There we go, just to show you the mileage on the car, 36,000 miles, so that is exceptionally low, as previously mentioned. Within the armrest, you've got USB and auxiliary ports, which is rather handy. And here's your CD player as well. So just to show you now the roof. Hopefully, let me just move the car into drive so we can see. So you have these 3 buttons here. This is for your parking sensors, which you can turn off. So if I was to slip the car into reverse, you've also got this rather handy parking display system. So if I was to slowly reverse back, once I get close to a car, there we go. You start to see, it's starting to tell me where I'm getting close. That will change from green to yellow to red. And there we go. Just show you the roof now. Just move the car back to where it was. Pop it into park. You then press this button here, which will drop the windows. You might be able to see there in the reflection of our showroom. The roof all folding away. Right, let me get out the car now, show you what the car looks like with the roof down. And here we go. Absolutely stunning looking vehicle. I don't think I'll pop that roof down entirely. I'll just do that before I show you the boot. Right, there we go. So there's the boot. Totally closed now. Show you the space available. So there we go. There's part of the roof all folded away. So now your luggage space is limited, but still got real good depth and quite a bit of width still in there. You are limited with regards to putting big items in there. Should you wish to come and organise a test drive on this vehicle, please do give us a ring. We won't be here long, with summer and spring just round the corner. Our telephone number is 01825 761 222.